And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a video tour of this new to us in inventory 29 BHS 2015 Chaparral Bunkhouse. We're going to start out front here with a nice fiberglass front cap. Got a big large front compartment for storage. You've got electric stabilizing jacks, both front and rear. Large full front pass-through compartment. Long length awning, electric awning with LED lights behind the awning. Full grab handle, Four Seasons coach. Step up inside, the first thing you're going to notice, all of your controls, monitor panel, all in one centrally located place, including your thermostat. Coming into the kitchen area, we've got a nice kitchen area. We've got a double bowl sink on the island, lots of cabinetry, drawer space, a full pantry with pullouts, dinette, booth dinette. This will seat up to 6. You've got a couch there, again overhead cabinets, lots of storage in the galley area, fireplace, electric fireplace with TV. This coach is loaded with storage. Inside the bunkhouse room, it's got a separate bunkhouse room, which is really nice because you can set that up for a TV. Nice place for the kids to hang out and have their own little spot. Again, lots of storage in there for clothes. There's actually a little wardrobe closet there. Coming up into the bathroom area, I will let the camera do the work in the bathroom, but you've got a walk-in shower, lots of storage for toiletry items, towels, medicine cabinet, nice bowl sink. In the bedroom, coming into the bedroom, we've got a walk-around bed, overhead cabinets, a wardrobe slide-out for that slide-out so that you've got a wardrobe closet, and you've also got a standing wardrobe over to the left here. Power on both sides of the bed, LED lighting throughout the coach. And moving to the outside, it's going to have mag wheels, outdoor speakers. It's got an outdoor kitchen area, so you've got the barbecue, the beverage refrigerator, and the sink all in one nice compact area. The back of the coach, it's already got a rack, so you can put bicycles, coolers, whatever you want to put on that. A large capacity water heater. Again, electric stabilizing jacks. Coming to the side, we've got our docking station. Everything is enclosed. Your waste tank valves are enclosed so that during the winter that heated underbelly is going to keep those from freezing. All of your plumbing is up tight against the coach. Got a battery disconnect in the compartment baggage area. A lot of great features on this coach, and it's not a real long coach. It's on the shorter, lighter side, which is what most folks are looking for today. We've got it. Any questions on this coach or any other coach, please feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.